You see one song from we have a juggling now called Roots and Righteousness Rhythm.
Yeah.
So
And
the
you're on
Ethiopia that's gonna be is a single from the album too.
Yeah.
But it's also a part of a juggling.
All right.
So that's the newest project
The
right
Roots
now.
and Righteous Rhythm, right? I'm
Yeah.
very familiar with it. I know every
Yes.
song on it. But
Yes.
every artist have a song on it that's connect. So when the rhythm was sent to you, how did you vibe to be on that rhythm? And how did that Ethiopia likeness came about? You know?
Yeah.
How did that came about?
So big up the Barrett brothers, you know,
Yeah.
Aston Barrett, Floyd Barrett, big up Richard, you know, you don't know, big up brother Richard Roach from Digital One.
Yeah.
When them send the rhythm to me, from I play the rhythm and hear the live instrumentation, it's like my skin just catch a fire. Because I love live rhythm, something about live rhythm,
Yeah.
and the rhythm have a nice, like a flute sound
Yeah.
in it. So from hear the rhythm, and a little thing I go to Ethiopia at the time,
Yeah.
because the new Prime Minister Abiy from Ethiopia,
Yeah.
they have some tribal differences going
Yeah.
on in Ethiopia. I don't know
Yeah.
if you're familiar with
Yeah, man, them have whole political
so
differences.
it caused a lot of people, a lot of war and people lose
Separation.
life. Yeah, so, and at the time, to be honest, an Ethiopian priest was staying by my house. I live in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
And we were reasoning about the whole thing. And through the vibration, I get the rhythm at the same time. And you know, as a Rastafari, and plus, you know, the original purpose of reggae music, you know, like if you listen to Bob Marley and Peter Tosh
Message.
and just message.
Message.
Yeah, them type we have
Spirituality.
to address them type of thing.
Yeah,
there.
man.
Not just what going to Jamaica.
But worldwide.
Yeah,
and global.
so